Sensational and disturbing details have emerged in the murder of Bangladeshi MP Anwarul Azim Anar in Kolkata. The MP had been missing since May 14. 2 days after he arrived in Kolkata, the murder was cracked after Bengal CID found bloodstains in the New Town apartment where the MP was staying. It has now emerged that the Bangladeshi MP was smothered to death. His body was then skinned, chopped up to pieces and minced to destroy his identity, and so the body could be disposed of easily. The accused then carried the minced flesh into plastic bags. The mastermind of the horrific murder is said to be Akhtar Zaman, a US citizen of Bangladeshi origin. He allegedly used his girlfriend to honey trap the MP. The woman, Shilanti Rahman, has also been detained. Now the accused here allegedly plotted the MP's murder after some dispute over payments.
Sensational revelations are unfolding in Bangladeshi MP murder case in Kolkata. And as we know, Bangladesh police as well as West Bengal CID is investigating the matter. And a woman may have been used as honey trap. That is what is unfolding in the investigation of Bangladesh police. One woman, Shilanti Rahman, was detained in Bangladesh, and this woman is said to be the close friend of the mastermind of this murder case, Akhtar Zaman. And Akhtar Zaman is the friend of Bangladeshi MP Anwarul. And the reason for the murder is said to be the business rivalry. And Akhtar Zaman pre-planned this murder. He paid around 5 crore rupees to the killers. A professional butcher was also involved in the case because the dead body of Anwarul was de-skinned. It was chopped off and disposed of near Kolkata. West Bengal CID had already nabbed Jihad, the professional butcher from Mumbai, who is an illegal migrant from Bangladesh. And he came here, he was there when murder took place. In fact, the lady, the Shilanti Rahman, who was used as the honey trap, was also present in India at the time of murder, and she went with the main accused to Bangladesh on 15th of May. So Calcutta, Mumbai, Bangladesh, a US citizen, and this US citizen who is the mastermind of this case, Akhtar Zaman, is said to be also present in Calcutta at the time of murder, and he may have fled to Nepal. This is what is transpiring from the investigation of both Bangladesh police and West Bengal CID. With cameraman Orgho, this is Anupam Mishra for India Today in Kolkata.